In this video, I'll talk about how you can buy Bitcoin on Webull. The first step we have to do is we want to activate crypto trading. Now keep in mind you need to do this from the mobile app, or you can sometimes do it from the desktop app, but the website is not for doing this. So get the Webull app, and then what you want to do is click on menu, find crypto trading, and make sure that you apply for crypto trading. Now this will usually only take a few minutes, and then you'll be good to go. After that, you want to search for BTC in the Webull app, click on Bitcoin, and then you just want to click on trade and choose buy. After that, select how much you want to purchase, choose the market order, and once you've done that, you just want to confirm and complete the transaction. So that is the simplest way on how you can buy Bitcoin. Now keep in mind you need to be approved for crypto trading before you can do it, but this shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.